Every great company begins with something the world cannot see. Not a product, not a building, not even a customer. It begins with a vision.
And this is ours. What you're looking at isn't just a building, it's a statement. A statement that Kenya's future deserves to be imagined before it's built. A vision of the future I believe Kenya can build. Every billion-shilling company begins as an idea. Every skyscraper begins with a single blueprint. And every innovation begins with one person asking, what if? This headquarters represents that question. It represents possibility. It represents ambition. Some will seem impossible. Others may become reality. But every one of them begins the same way, with imagination. So if you're ready, welcome to Kenya's Future Billion-Shilling Ideas. Welcome to the future.